I have waited for a long time to finally get this truck. And I originally ordered it in the mail, and it still hasn't come yet. Either that, or I got scammed. But to make up for it, I found it at the store. We'll Trash It All is now in the collection, and it's about darn time. This truck is awesome, and it's my favorite of the newest case of Hot Wheels monster trucks. Here's the back of the card in case you were wondering. Let's get this unboxed. Here's the crush car, and here is the truck. Oh my gosh. So nice to finally have it. So the grille is textured. It's got headlights and the turn signals painted in. The only metal part of this truck is, the only die-cast part is the cab. The rest of it's all plastic. Here's the claw thing that it would use to pick up garbage. It says "We'll Trash It All" on the side. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo, the recycle logo, and then a picture of a car. It says "We'll Trash It All" on both sides of the cab. And then on this side of the little container, it says the same exact stuff. And then, if I can get it to function, the this little hatch thing opens up, and if you look inside, you can see the engine. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the one that has been a wild goose chase for me. And what do you know? It ends up showing up at one of my stores. And I got this at Schnucks. And yeah, believe it or not, Schnucks sells Hot Wheels monster trucks. So yeah, they have the current case, which I find to be interesting. So yeah. Well, the hunt is over for this one, and the fate of the other one that I originally ordered, who knows? If it does end up arriving sometime later, I'm gonna give it to my friend. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching the unboxing of the We'll Trash It All Hot Wheels monster truck. If you enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a new video, because I pretty much post new content almost every day. So yeah. That's gonna do it, guys. Peace out.